Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup customer databases with G2 CRM data export. Quick tutorial. Open your G2 CRM dashboard. Log in with your user credentials. Navigate to the Customer Management section. Locate the Databases option on the left sidebar. Click on Databases to view a list of all customer databases. Identify the database you wish to backup. Hover over the database name for additional options. Click the Export button next to the selected database. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to select the format. Choose your preferred export format, typically CSV or Excel. Confirm your selection by clicking Next. Select any additional filters or settings, if necessary. Click Export to initiate the backup process. Wait for the exporting process. Once finished, a download link will appear. Click the link to download the file to your computer. Open the downloaded file to verify the data. Store the backup file in a secure location. Regularly repeat this process to maintain up-to-date backups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.